For today's word study, we learned about vowel consonant consonant with a silent E pattern, and we also learned about vowel consonant 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 patterns. You will see some of those listed here during your word study assignment. Make sure you sign on to Schoology and find this. So, like I said, here are some vowel consonant consonant silent E patterns. We have A-N-C-E, A-S-T-E, and U-D-G-E. For our vowel consonant 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 patterns, we have A-T-C-H, U-N-C-H, and I-T-C-H. So, for today's lesson, you are going to be creating words out of these letters and these patterns. Now, you have two different columns here. What you will do is click and drag these letters to these patterns and create words. You will type that word in this column, and in this column you're going to find a word that has the same or matching pattern. So I'm going to do one for you so you understand. The letter P, I know, can be made into a real word with the vowel consonant 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 of A-T-C-H. My word I created is patch. This is a real word, and I will type that real word in the first box. P-A-T-C-H. Now that I have found the real word of patch, I will need to come up with another real word having the same vowel, consonant, consonant, consonant. I know that the word hatch has the same pattern, so I will follow this green arrow over and I will type hatch, H-A-T-C-H. It does not have to be a word that you create over here. You just have to come up with a matching pattern. Continue to move these letters around with these vowel consonant consonant silent E and vowel consonant 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 patterns. That is where you will type these, and over here you will find a matching or rhyming pattern. When you're all done and all of these spaces have been typed on both columns, make sure you click Submit Assignment for your teacher.